Good morning children, I am Mubina Inamdar. Today I am taking English period for UKG class. Children, open your test book, page number 18. Page number 18. Our today's topic is look and say. Look and say. Look and say means here some images are given. See, here some images are given. You have to say the picture name. First you say the picture name and then beginning letter of the word you have to write in these columns. Heading. Say the name of each picture. Say the name of each picture. Write the beginning letter of the word. Write the beginning letter of the word. Let's start. Now children, tell me what is this? Yes, tell me what is this? This is a abacus. What is this? This is a abacus. Abacus spelling is, yes, spelling of abacus is A B A C U S. So starting letter is abacus is A. So here you have to write capital letter A. Now second image. What is this children? This is a balloon. This is a balloon. The spelling of balloon is B A L L O O N. Balloon. The starting letter is B. So here you have to write the capital letter B. Third one is, this is a cap. This is a cap. The spelling of cap is C-A-P. Cap. So starting the beginning letter of cap is C. So here you have to write the capital letter C. Next one. What is this? This is a dog. The dog spelling is D-O-G. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. The beginning letter is D. Here write the letter D. Next one. What is this? This is a egg. This is a egg. The spelling of egg is E G G. Egg. The beginning letter is E. So here you have to write the letter E. Next one. What is this? This is a fish. The spelling of fish is F-I-S-H. Fish. The beginning letter is F. So here you have to write the F. The letter F. Now this one. What is this children? This is a gate. This is a gate. The spelling of gate is G-A-T-E. Gate. So beginning letter is G. So here you have to write the G. The letter G. Now children, tell me what is this? This is a hat. Now spelling of hat is H-A-T. Hat. The beginning letter is H. The beginning letter is H. What is this children? This is a igloo. What is this? This is a igloo. The spelling of igloo is I-G-L-O-O. Igloo. The beginning letter is I. So here you write the capital letter I. Now tell me what is this? This is a jam bottle. This is a jam bottle. Spelling of jam is J-A-M. Jam. The beginning letter is J. So here you write J. Now tell me children, what is this? This is a key. This is a key. The spelling of key is K beginning letter is K. Beginning letter is K. Now tell me this one. What is this? This is a lock. This is a lock. Spelling of lock is L-O-C-K. L-O-C-K, lock. So, beginning letter is L. Now children, page number 19. Now tell me what is this? This is a mug. The mug spelling is M-U-G. Mug. The beginning letter is M. So here you write the capital letter M. Next one. This is a net. This is a net. Net spelling is N-E-T. Net. So the beginning letter is N. So here you write. Now next one. What is this? This is a owl. This is a owl. The spelling of owl is O-W-L. O-W-L. Owl. The beginning letter is O. In this column you write O. Now next one. What is this children? This is a pin. The spelling of pin is P-I-N. Pin. P-I-N. Pin. The beginning letter is P. So here you write the letter P. Now next image. Who is she? How she is looking? She is looking like a queen. So she is a queen. What is the spelling of queen? Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. The starting or beginning letter is Q. What is this children? This is a ring. This is a ring. Spelling of ring is R-I-N-G. Ring. R-I-N-G. Ring. So beginning letter is R. What is this? This is a sun. This is a sun. Sun spelling is S-U-N. Sun. S-U-N. Sun. The beginning letter is S. Now this one. This is a turtle. This is a turtle. The spelling of turtle is T-U-R-T-L-E. Turtle. The beginning letter is T. The beginning letter is T. Next one. Now children, tell me what is this? Yes. Yes, this is a umbrella. This is a umbrella. Spelling of umbrella is U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. The beginning letter is U. This is a van. Van spelling is V-A-N. Van. The beginning letter is V. This is a watch. Watch spelling is W-A-T-C-H. Watch. The beginning letter is W. What is this? This is a X-ray. This is called X-ray. The spelling of X-ray is X-R-A-Y. X-ray. So beginning letter is X. Beginning letter is X. Next one is yo-yo. What is this? This is a yo-yo. The spelling of yo-yo is Y-O Y-O-Y-O. Yo-yo. So starting letter is Y. Last one. This is a zip. This is a zip. The spelling of zip is Z-I-P. Zip. The beginning letter is Z. Now children, it's time to read along with me. A for abacus. B for balloon. C for cap. D for dog. E for egg. F for fish. G for gate. H for hat. I for igloo. J for jam. K for key. L for lock. M for mug. N for net. O for owl. P for pin. Q for queen. R for ring. S for sun. T for turtle. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yo-yo. Z for zip. Children, now it's time to take your today's homework. Your today's homework is on page number 18 and 19. Also on page number 20 and 21. This one is also your homework. Take a screenshot. Otherwise, note down. Alphabet recall. Write A to Z in capital letters. Here you have to write capital alphabets. And on page number 20, alphabet recall. This is also alphabet recall. Write small a to small z in small letters. Means you have to write here small letters. In this page you have to write capital letters, and in this page you have to write small letters. This one and this one plus these two pages. You have to do homework in your home and send on my WhatsApp number. Thank you.